Here with me, I've got 3 questions, which is the first question saying, solve the equation 25 to the power x equals what? 5, which is 2 marks. The second question says, if AT is equal to, open 1, -2, 3, -4, 5. And the question says, write the matrix A, 2 marks. The third question says, evaluate, open 81 over 16 close to the power 0, 1 mark. So let's start. We'll start with the first question, which is solve the equation, which is A, number 1. 25 to the power x equals to 5, like this. So this is the question, as you can see. So have you seen this 25 to the power x equals to what? 5. So they want you to make 25 to have the same base as 5. And how do you do that? You have to break down 25 to have the power, so that when you multiply, you get the same 25, which is 5 to the power 2x. 5 to the power 2 simply means 5 times 5, which is what? 25. And that powers x, which is this one, equals to 5. And then here, there is 1 which is invisible. So you have to introduce it, which is 1. If there was no number, just know that there was 1. And here you can see the bases, they are the same. You eliminate. So it will be 2x is equal to what? 1. What do you do the next thing? You divide both sides by 2, also there 2. You eliminate. So x is equal to what? Half, like this. We are now on question 2. Question 2, we have been given AT equals 1, -2, 3, -4, 5. This was the question. And we have been told if A to the power t is equal to, open 1, -2, 3, -4, 5, close. And the question says, write the matrix A. So this T simply means it's transpose. It was a transpose. Now they want you to write back the question the way it was. How do you write that? This T means transpose. This question, it has been transposed, but they want you to write back the way the question was before they transposed. So you just have to say A, which is the matrix, then you make it like this. These numbers which were in this form as a transpose, you bring back the way they were before they transposed, which is 1, -2, 3, -4, as you can see, 5. So this is the answer they wanted. This was the matrix before they transposed. So now we go to question 3. And question 3 says, evaluate, open 81 over 16 to the power 0. So you just copy the question, which is 81 over 16 to the power 0. And you know the rule of indices. Any number or letter raised to power 0, always the answer is 1. Don't forget that. So any number or letter raised to power 0, always the answer is what? 1. So that's the rule. Any number raised to power, once just see 0, just know that the answer is 1. Thank you very much.